What if I told you your car could double as a survival kit on wheels? Whether you're camping off-grid or facing an emergency on the highway, the right gadgets can literally save your trip or your life. Stick around, because some of these will surprise you. And if you enjoy discovering smart gear like this, don't forget to subscribe to Trek Gear and give the video a like. It helps us bring you even more next-level survival tech. Let's dive into the top 15 survival gadgets every camper should keep in their vehicle. First up, the Kelvin 8 Automotive Emergency Multitool. Imagine combining a flashlight, seatbelt cutter, window breaker, tire gauge, and even a USB power bank into one sleek device. That's exactly what Kelvin 8 delivers. This isn't just another glove box gadget, it's designed for those high-stress moments when seconds matter. Stuck in your car after an accident, you've got a hammer to shatter the and a blade to cut free from your seatbelt. Dead phone during a road trip? Charge it right there. Even simple issues, like low tire pressure, can be managed without calling for help. It's compact, durable, and ensures you're prepared without carrying a toolbox the size of your trunk. Now let's talk about the Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. If you've ever had your tires buried in mud, sand, or snow, you know that sinking feeling when your vehicle just won't move. This tow rope is a beast engineered with military-grade strength and capable of pulling out trucks, SUVs, or RVs with ease. Unlike static ropes or cheap chains that can snap under tension, the Rhino USA rope uses kinetic energy to stretch and then recoil, making recovery smoother, safer, and far less damaging to your vehicle. That's where the AVAPOW car battery jump starter comes in. Forget relying on strangers or waiting for roadside assistance. You can bring your own lifeline with you. This portable powerhouse is strong enough to jumpstart not only cars, but also big trucks and SUVs, giving you peace of mind no matter what you drive. The AVAPOW isn't just about batteries, though it doubles as a power bank with multiple USB ports to keep your phone, tablet, or GPS alive when you're camping far from an outlet. Its smart safety features prevent sparks, surges, or short circuits, making it foolproof even if you've never used a jump starter before. Next on the list is something every camper and driver should never overlook: large first aid kit for car. Out in the wild or even on the road, accidents don't send a warning text before happening. This kit is fully stocked with over 200 medical supplies, from bandages and antiseptic wipes to trauma essentials like tourniquets and burn dressings. What makes it stand out is the way it's organized. Everything has its own labeled section, so you're not fumbling through a mess when seconds matter. Now let's shift to SINSEN Car Safety Hammer Set. This might look simple, but in a real emergency, it's a lifesaver. The set usually comes with 2 hammers, one for the driver, one for the passenger, both equipped with hardened steel tips to smash through car windows if your doors get jammed. They also feature razor-sharp seatbelt cutters that slice through tough webbing in one swipe. If you've ever imagined being trapped after an accident, you'll understand why tools like these matter. The bright handles make them easy to spot, and the mounts let you secure them where they'll be instantly accessible. It's one of those gadgets you hope you'll never use, but in those rare, critical moments, it could mean the difference between panic and escape. And because survival isn't only about emergencies, but also about comfort, Macally Car Cup Holder Tray. Picture this: you're on a long camping drive, snacks in hand, and suddenly you're juggling a sandwich, drink, and GPS all at once. This clever tray expands from your cup holder, giving you a mini table for food, drinks, or even a phone or tablet. It rotates, adjusts, and locks in place, making road trips or campsite snacking way more manageable. Sure, it's not about life or death survival like a first aid kit or hammer, but comfort is part of endurance too. After all, staying organized and stress-free keeps you sharp in real emergencies. Let's move on to Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. This isn't just a first aid kit or a roadside set, it's a complete survival package designed specifically for vehicles. Inside, you'll find jumper cables, an air compressor, a flashlight, reflective warning triangles, and a full medical kit, all in one durable bag. It's basically roadside peace of mind in a backpack. Whether your tire goes flat in the middle of nowhere or you need to patch up a cut while camping, Next up is XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool. Ever try cleaning the inside of your windshield with just your hand? Smudges everywhere, neck strained, and somehow the glass looks worse than when you started. The XINDELL tool solves that frustration with an extendable handle and a microfiber pad that wipes away fog, dirt, and smears in seconds. No sprays required, just a little water. It's lightweight, compact, and fits right into your glove box. For campers, this is huge because condensation can fog your windows overnight, and having a clear view is critical when driving out early. It's one of those gadgets you don't think about until you use it, and then you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's check out. We've got car seat gap filler. Simple, yes, but surprisingly genius. You know how your phone, keys, or even snacks always seem to vanish between the seat and console like they've fallen into another dimension? This filler closes that black hole for good. Made from flexible yet firm material, it slips neatly into the gap and blends with your car's interior. No more fishing around while driving or pulling over to dig under the seat. Say hello to KitBrix waterproof sports duffel bag. Now, this isn't just any bag, it's a modular, waterproof powerhouse built to keep your gear dry and organized, no matter where the road takes you. Campers know the struggle. Wet clothes, muddy boots, and gear that always seems to get mixed up. KitBrix solves that by letting you separate items into compartments that actually zip together, like building blocks. Next is Multitool pocket knife. If there's one item that should live in every glove box, it's this. Think of it as a mini survival kit in your pocket. A good multi-tool knife combines blades, screwdrivers, pliers, scissors, and even bottle openers into one compact design. Whether you're cutting rope at camp, tightening a loose screw, opening packaging, or even prepping food, it's always handy. The real value comes from versatility. You never know what challenge will pop up when you're miles from civilization. Instead of carrying a bulky toolkit, this gadget slips in your pocket or glove compartment. And rounding out this too is FosPower Emergency Weather Radio. Survival experts will tell you communication and information are as important as food and water. This radio gives you access to NOAA, weather alerts, AM, FM channels, and even works as a flashlight and power bank. It's powered in multiple ways. It's solar, hand crank, or regular batteries, meaning it'll keep going when everything else dies. Next up is SurviMate Ultra-Filtration Filtered Water Bottle. Water is survival 101, but finding clean drinking water isn't always guaranteed when camping or during emergencies. That's where this bottle steps in. It comes with a built-in 4-stage filter that removes bacteria, heavy metals, and even strange tastes from questionable water sources. Instead of hauling gallons of bottled water, you can scoop from a stream, lake, or even a roadside puddle and still drink safely. It's lightweight, reusable, and eco-friendly with no single-use plastics here. For campers, overlanders, or anyone preparing for the unexpected, it's basically hydration insurance. Now let's check out Jetec Survival Reflective Mirror. It might look simple, but this small gadget can literally save your life in a search and rescue situation. Made with high-quality, reflective material, it allows you to signal aircraft, boats, or distant rescuers by reflecting sunlight. The mirror comes with a sighting hole for precise aiming, making it much more effective than just waving your hands or flashing a phone screen. It's compact, weighs almost nothing, and slips into any emergency bag. Beyond rescue, you can even use it for checking blind spots or starting a fire when paired with the right tinder. Finally, we have LISEN Retractable Car Charger. Think of it as the everyday hero of your vehicle survival kit. Instead of tangled cables cluttering your car, this retractable charger extends when you need it and snaps back neatly when you don't. But here's the kicker. It's fast charging and compatible with most devices, so whether it's your phone, GPS, or emergency flashlight, you're powered up on the go. For campers, keeping electronics charged isn't just about convenience. Which invention blew your mind the most? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button if you discovered something new, and subscribe to Trek Gear for more next-level outdoor tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep adventuring.